Azapo e simolotse go dira ditshupetso mosong ono ka ura ya 10 ya re bao ba tletseng bosemorafe ga ba ne ba letlelelwa mo nageng. Se ke kgatiso eo e tsositseng dipuo.
Get rid of them because they are the problem, not pitbulls, not animals. Animals are beautiful and they deserve a warm bed, food, love and attention and everything else.
Metsotso e se kae moraga gore batlhankela ba tlhokomelo ba bidiwe ba bega dikgang ga mmogo le maloko a Azapo a ne a atamela gaufi le tikwatikwe e go dumelwang Belinda Magor e leng yo mongwe wa baagi ba yona fela baagi ba bangwe ga ba mo itse.
She is in here.
Yeah, that's the place.
That's right. No, absolutely, she's in here.
Yeah, but I don't know her. You know, I don't. As I said, you know.
But where's the landlord?
No, there's no landlord.
You are an owner, right?
I am one of the residents here. I own a house here. Now there are only 21 units here, and as far as I know, there are 2 or 3 that are rented. So, you know, I don't know.
You want one of those 3 rented?
Yeah, but I don't know who it is over there.
One of those 3 rented units
and
is
we also
where
want the people who stay in here to know that they are staying with a racist
in here.
Yeah, okay.
Then she needs to be uprooted.
Go na le ngongorego ya gore bao ba dirang ditshwaelo tsa bosemorafe ga ba tsele dikgato.
I think we are here today to send a message to racists that we don't want you to apologize anymore. What we actually want you to do is leave our country. If you find that our hospitality over the 300 years, because you came into our country, you stole our land, you dehumanized us, you hurt us, and even after all of that, we didn't drive you to the sea. We gave you space to live. If that is not good enough for you, please take your bags and leave, because we will no longer tolerate it. We will not be coming here and getting sorries from anybody. What we are saying today is that we will drive you to the airport ourselves if we have to. There will be no racists in South Africa. If you are racist and you run a company in this country, I will make sure that I personally come into your company and I will break it down, because I am sick and tired of people who are dehumanizing us. I am human. This is my land. I have nowhere else to go. This is home for me. If it's not good enough for you,
Mapodisi le ona a ne a biditswe go netefatsa gore bao ba dirang ditshupetso ga ba tsene ka tikwatikwe.
So ngeke baze ba complain again. We have a right to protest. Asibulalanga umuntu. We are here to protest. Batshele ke ukuthi mina I have a right to protest abahlukane nami.